Hello everyone! Today, we're going to delve into the world of 5 rich vitamin vegetables that are not only nutritious but also delicious. First on our list is the humble potato. It's a great source of vitamins C, B6, and B1. Not only does it taste great, but it's versatile too. You can use it in a variety of dishes like mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, or even fries. Next up is the sweet potato. This vegetable is packed with vitamins A, C, and B6. It's not only delicious, but also has a beautiful orange hue that makes any dish pop with color. Third on our list is the mighty carrot. It's an excellent source of vitamin A and has a natural sweetness that makes it a favorite snack for kids and adults alike. You can eat them raw or cook them however you like. They're versatile. Fourth on our list is the leafy green vegetable spinach. This superfood is packed with vitamins A, K, C, and B9. Add some cooked spinach to your next pasta dish or make a spinach omelet for a healthy meal. Lastly, we have kale. This leafy green veggie is packed with vitamins A, K, C, and B6. It can be enjoyed raw in salads or cooked in soups or stews. The possibilities are endless. So there you have it, 5 rich vitamin vegetables that are delicious and nutritious. Be sure to add them to your diet for a healthy boost. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Until next time!